401k mistakes you must avoid. Hello, and welcome to our channel Pursuit of Wealth. This channel is your ultimate destination for learning about finance and wealth, investing and crypto, informational and educational trends in finance management. If you are someone who wishes to become wealthy and are looking for smart money management options, then we are fortunate to have found each other. The advantages of a 401k retirement plan are substantial. If you are the lucky employee who has access to this plan, you are probably aware of its benefits. It grows your money tax-free until you withdraw, and your contributions are automatically deducted from your paycheck. And you can even receive free money that you are offered from your employer in the form of the employer match. However, many employees make mistakes with their accounts without knowing about them, and these mistakes can cost them a serious amount of money that they can save. These mistakes range from overpaying in plan costs and fees to failing in contributing enough to get the employer match. Furthermore, the economic situation can also affect the average balance of 401k retirement accounts. Watch the video until the end, as we are going to discuss some of the most common things that employees make with their 401k plan. Number 1. Not matching your client's contribution. Well, this is the most basic mistake that employees make without even thinking about it. Because they do not want to contribute much, that's why they miss the free money that they can get from employer matching. A study conducted by Magnify Money, which is a personal finance website, reveals that around 20% of American employees have failed in receiving the full match from their employer because they are not contributing enough. So, you must match your employer's contributions because they can be rewarding. Fidelity Investments reported that the highest average employer matching is currently 4.7% of their workers' salary. This can result in tens of thousands of dollars over an employee's working career with the perks of compound interest. Always remember, it is free money that you can leave on the table if you do not match the contributions and cannot take the benefit of it. And if you do not match eventually, you will get an overall low compensation on your 401k retirement plan. Consider this as you are providing a pay cut to yourself. Make sure to cut back on anything you need to just contribute a sufficient amount to receive the full match. Otherwise, you will be opting for a lower compensation. Number 2. Try to raise your contributions with time. This is another mistake that most people make. They do not increase their contributions from time to time, even if they get their salary increased. You should do a regular increase in your contributions, whether it is of 1% or more every year, until you reach the mark of 15 to 20% of your salary. But if you do not increase, then there is a high chance that your contribution level cannot be matched with your living standards. And it can be problematic at the time of your retirement, because then you will have to force yourself to meet your requirements less. Also, remember that the target of reaching 15 to 20% of your income that you save for retirement includes the employer match. Don't worry if this mark looks very ambitious. Number 3. Do not break the cookie jar before the time. Cashing out or taking a loan on a 401k plan can be a really bad idea for several reasons. When you take a loan from your 401k account, then you have to repay the amount of the loan with interest. Not only that, in other cases, until you repay the loan, your contributions will be halted for that period. And it will minimize your overall savings for retirement in 2 ways. You will have to face a 10% penalty on the early withdrawal, and also, there will be more taxes that will be incurred if you cash out from your plan. Therefore, it is important to not cash out or take a loan, because they will not only affect your retirement savings that are going to be helpful in your golden years, but also come with hefty charges. So, do not consider that the 401k is your piggy bank. You will have a brokerage or savings account for that purpose. In case you have to switch your job, then in this case, instead of cashing out your 401k, it is better to roll it over to your new job's plan. Number 4. Make sure your profits cannot be derailed by plan costs. Does your 401k plan have a higher fee? According to recent data, an average employee pays about 0.45% for plan administration costs and fees annually. The average balance currently outpaces $103,000, and these charges associated with the 401k plans become a substantial consideration. Also, a fraction of a percent of these charges can affect your investment, and it will cut down thousands in your retirement. For that reason, consult with your human resource department or the plan administrator to know about the plan and its administration charges. It is recommended to pick exchange-traded funds or mutual funds that contain low fees. And if you are frequently switching your employers, try to choose the account that contains low fees between both your new and old plans. However, you can do much better if you keep your current plan that was offered by your old employer if it contains a notably low fee. A quick reminder, if you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing, as we frequently upload such informative and educational videos. Let's continue. Number 5. Forgetting about the old plans. Well, if you have to change your jobs in your career very often, then you might forget or completely ignore the old plan that you are offered by your employer. Also, there's not any central repository available to search for such plans, so you will have to ask your employer to check. As we have discussed, rolling over your 401k earlier in the video, but it cannot be done in an entirely digital manner. In reality, it is a tedious process of some paperwork and phone calls. Yet, this tedious process can be a little inconvenient for people, but it can be worth it if you know about the benefits you will get. So, you must manage your account regularly and examine your progress to stay abreast of extra fees. The financial experts also suggest that you should not contain more than 3 retirement accounts at a time. Try to consolidate your accounts to the rollover IRA and make sure to keep old accounts active. Number 6. Not able to increase tax breaks. Most employees try to defer paying the income tax on the amount they are contributing to their retirement plan. Well, the workers can delay the payment of taxes that are up to $19,500 till 2020. But those who are 50 years or older that can make it up to an additional $6,500. You see, there is a huge tax benefit if you contribute to the maximum time allowed. According to experts, if you can stretch yourself and save the complete $19,500, it is an ideal situation. Then income tax will not be imposed on the amount in your 401k retirement plan. Number 7. Not considering the Roth options. Well, when you start withdrawing money from your pre-tax 401k retirement plan, they are treated as taxable income. On the other hand, the Roth 401k provides you the facility to grow your earnings tax-free. So, it is also recommended to compare both these plans, a typical 401k and the Roth 401k plan. In this, you can decide whether you want to get the known tax advantages of utilizing the pre-tax savings before or want to go with the uncertainty of tax savings in the future with a Roth 401k account. Number 8. Not knowing about your retirement needs. We all know that having the exact amount that you will require at the time of your retirement is not a simple task. However, many employees make the mistake of not making a basic plan or goals that they want to achieve with their plan. And lack of knowledge in this regard that how much money you will require can result in bad consequences. The good news is just having a basic plan or an annual check on your progress can help to achieve your financial goals. These future estimates might seem unusual if you have decades remaining in your retirement, but they can make many things easy for you. The more you start early, the more time you will get to make the required changes in your plan. You can simply start by listing down things that you want to achieve. It will help you to start thinking about the lifestyle you want when you retire. So, it is very important to know about your retirement needs if you want to have a comfortable life during retirement. Number 9. Relying on company stock. Most employers give the option to employees to buy the company stocks in their 401k plan. It can be a big drawback because the employer stock holdings can increase the volatility of your 401k plan. Most companies are not using the company stock to match the contributions. However, several companies give their workers an option to invest in their stock. Well, if you are in this situation, then assess the risk if your 401k account contains company stocks. Also, make sure to restrict your exposure to any of the stocks to less than 10 to 15% of your overall retirement portfolio. It is a general rule of thumb, but it is also recommended to make your investments in diversified mutual funds and stocks that can help you to reduce the overall risk. Number 10. Not taking the help of financial experts. This can be impactful because this can be the most common mistake that people make. Taking help and guidance from 401k professionals can help decide many things as they will conduct thorough market research that will enhance the performance of your account. According to studies, professional guidance helps people outperform those who do not know much about these plans. So, you must seek help from a professional who can help you decide things that are not only for your future, but can also guide you about allocating enough to your 401k account. That's all we have for the video. These are the 401k mistakes that you must avoid because it is a great source of financial security that you will enjoy in your life. So, it is highly recommended to maintain your account wisely and contribute diligently. Prefer going for funds with low cost and respect for the integrity of savings, because they are going to be a cushion for your comfort after your retirement. We hope you find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to share it with your friends and share your thoughts with us in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching until the end. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon for more amazing content about wealth management and finance-related videos. Success is coming your way. Keep your doors open. See ya till the next time.